is weeping, the tears fall slow. A storm of sorrow that only I know. The clouds are heavy, they mirror my pain. Every drop whispers your name. The wind is howling, a mournful tune, beneath the shadows of a fading moon. The world is drowning in shades of gray, and I'm lost in what you took away. I reach for the light, but it's out of sight, swallowed by the endless night. The sky above feels what I can't hide. It cries the tears I've held inside. The crying sky, it knows my heart. It feels the ache of falling apart. Every drop is a memory of what you meant, of what we'd be. The crying sky, it mourns with me, a broken soul, a storm at sea. The rain won't stop, it echoes through the love I lost when I lost you. Gather where dreams once lay, reflecting moments that slipped away. The thunder rumbles like my chest, a restless storm that won't find rest. I see your face in the fleeting rain, a fleeting glimpse before it fades again. The heavens grieve what I can't mend, an endless downpour that won't end. The lightning strikes, a flash of despair, illuminating the empty air. The storm rages on, it feels my soul, the tempest I can't control. The crying sky, it moves my heart. It feels the ache of falling apart. Every drop is a memory of what you meant, of what we'd be. The crying sky, it mourns with me, a broken soul, a storm at sea. The rain won't stop, it echoes through the love I lost when I lost you. If the sky could heal, if the rain could mend, would the storm bring you back again? Or am I doomed to drown alone in the tears of the love I've known? The crying sky, it knows my pain. It falls with me in the endless rain. Every drop a piece of me, shattered dreams beneath the sea. The crying sky, it won't forget the love that lingers in regret. The rain won't stop, it's all I knew. The sky still cries because I lost you. The sky keeps crying and so do I, underneath its grieving sigh. A storm that lives, a love that died, forever beneath the crying sky. The sky is weeping, the tears fall slow, reflecting moments that slipped away. The thunder rumbles